Hey, Westcoast Johnny, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by. So today what I'm doing, we finally got a nice, beautiful, warm day. Actually, it's kind of hot out, and I had to put a canopy up, but I'm painting the motor that's going in my Model A. I already primed it last week, and today I'm going to go ahead and shoot it the high heat gold, and I'm going to go mix up the paint right now. Let me show you the motor. All right, well, here is the motor. It's a 1960 Ford 292 Y block motor. Came out of a truck. It has a couple coats of the G2 feather fill high build primer made by Evercoat. Now these valve covers are not staying. I'm not keeping these on the car, so I'm just putting these on so I don't get any paint down in the valves. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up some of the gold high heat paint that I got, and we're going to put some on. So I'm going over my application guide. They always give you one of these when you buy automotive paint at an automotive paint supply store. They're supposed to, by law, give you one of these. It has all the instructions and whatnot, and what it's saying here to do. So we're going to go 6 parts of the high heat polyurethane, 1 part to the hardener, 1 part to the activator. So I'm going to mix all this up, and got a little cup here, and we're going to go ahead and put some in here and hit that motor, see how it looks. So here's a quick walk around the motor. It's just been painted. Gave it two coats, really nice. And it's just going to dry for a while, and then I'm going to come out and check on it. That's how it turned out. It's a little darker than I wanted. Okay, it's a few hours later. The sun's getting ready to go down. I just wanted to come out and take a good look at it. Personally, I think it's still too dark, but it's really beautiful. I may keep it, I don't know. I see some holidays, a couple little holidays, so I'm gonna have to mix up some more paint tomorrow. So I'm gonna cover this in plastic. But here's the color of my carburetors, and they're just a little bit different. See that? This is pretty, it's just different. The colors. So I don't know if I want to paint the whole engine this color, but I kind of like it the way it is. Well, it's the next day. I'm out here looking at it, and I don't like it. It's to me, it's a lot darker than I wanted it to be. I want it to be like a bright gold, like my carburetors. So I went and got some of the wheel paint that I used for my carburetors, and here's what it looks like. Duplicolor. Now, this isn't regular spray paint. This, like Krylon and what's that other, Rust-Oleum. It's not like that. It's more of an enamel coating that comes out of that can, and it has a lot of chemicals in it that regular spray paint doesn't have in it. Which makes it chemical resistant, chip resistant, so I don't have to worry about gasoline, because I'm going to have 6 carburetors on my engine. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm just going to go ahead and go over this whole engine with the gold. Little plugs. Okay, well the paint is dry, and I'm putting some parts on this motor to kind of mock it up to see how it's going to look and see how parts are going to fit when it goes in the hot rod. So these are my stainless steel custom-made Y-block headers that I bought from Lance James of Speed and Crow magazine. We went up to Modesto and picked them up. And here are my 6 Strombergs sitting on my weigh-in drag star. It's a 2-piece manifold, which I'm going to highly polish, and we're going to make a whole video about that. The other thing we're going to do, we're going to make a video. I have a product called Blue Job that claims to take all this bluing right off, with elbow grease, of course. So we're going to put that to the test. And my valve covers are actually, the ones going on here are being powder coated right now. So they're supposed to be back in about a week. Well, hey everybody, thanks for joining this episode. I'm down here at the beach just taking a little break, and I want to thank my new subscribers. If you have any questions or comments, please like the video, subscribe. No reason to hit the notification bell though. And I'm going to start putting a video up. I'm going to try at least once a week. So, alright, I'll talk to everybody later.